do at home sometime, you know? Yeah. That's one of those kind of drink where you want to drink. Some people might see you're making this kind of drink and think, oh yeah, it's for strong back and all that. Not like that. It's just your mind. You know what I mean? Everything works off of your mind. This is what you think. You know, you think positive, everything goes positive. If you think negative, be a negativity in your life. Alright, let's dig into it. Shout out to every one of you guys who are watching, guys. This video is not going to be a long video. Today's supposed to be meat-free Monday. First of all, you need a blender. Okay? That's what you need. You need one blender. Alright? And secondly, get yourself some oats. And a lot of people know that oats is very good for you to drink at home. We're going to use roughly about quarter cups of oats inside of it. Alright, not much oats. Alright, I just pour that from the bag. Alright? Make sure you got a finger of ripe banana. Ripe banana is very good for you. And you should have one finger of ripe banana in the morning. You know what I mean? Sometime. No one of them. Not on a regular basis though. Alright guys? Yeah? So basically we have a little thing named peanut punch. Right here. Alright? We're going to use up this one today. Alright? Some peanut punch inside of this little thing right here. Let me see if I can have. Oh yeah. Yeah man. Peanut punch. I don't know if you know what is peanut punch, guys. Yeah. When you're at Jamaica, this is how we drink. Peanut punch. You're going to put roughly about quarter cups inside of it. Alright? Don't put too much in. Roughly about quarter cup. So we got oats, ripe banana, and peanut punch right in it already. Alright? Then we have a thing named nutriment. This is the original flavor. This is the vanilla flavor, and it's high in protein. All right. So if you're a person who like to have one of them here sometime, very good for you. There's a lot of protein inside of it. All right. Yeah, man. Whole heap of protein. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna put a little bit inside of it. Not much. Just a little bit. All right. Then secondly, you need one of those jagan. Alright, and the jagan you have to have it like hot, not too cold. Alright, you have to put like hot jagan inside of it. Do not put the cold one. Put a roughly about quarter cups inside of it. Alright. Yeah man, look at that. Beautiful one. Alright. Now we're gonna put some vanilla. Let's put a little bit of vanilla. Roughly about a teaspoon of vanilla. Yeah. Now we're going to put some. This is some mixed spice inside of it. A little pinch of mixed spice. Alright. Then also we're going to put some cinnamon powder inside of it. Roughly a pinch of cinnamon powder. That is very good for you, cinnamon powder. Then we're going to put some Jamaican nutmeg egg inside of it. A little pinch of Jamaican nutmeg egg. If you got Irish mash, you can put some Irish mash in it. Trust me, it works really well also. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pop a little bit more oats inside of it. Just a little bit more, not much. I'm just pouring it from the bag, eye measurement. Alright, and then once you do that, then what you want to do, you want to blend it. What is that? Oh, I have to have my blender. Alright, you want to blend it. Alright, so basically, let's blend it and see what happens. Alright, so I just, oh wow, feel like that. You saw that bus a while ago? Man, I can't believe. It's like, look at the steam where I come out of it. What we're going to do, we're going to put on just a little bit, one more fingers of ripe banana inside of it. Alright. Guys, this is a recipe here. I don't know, normal recipe, you know. This is something you need to try at home. But you have to do this on the day off. When you're working, do not do this one. Alright, cause you might not drive and all them things. We don't want that. Alright, we're gonna put some molasses inside of it. Roughly about just a little bit of molasses, not much. Inside of it, alright? Beautiful. And then what we're gonna do next, we're gonna put some sweet condensed milk inside of it now. Roughly about 2 tablespoons of sweet condensed milk. So you can't put too much in it because of the Alright, that's nice. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna blend it for about 2 to 3 seconds. Alright, we're gonna blend this now, guys. Yeah, so I'm blending it right now, and yeah, so I have to just hold it and give it a blend. Alright, so yeah, here it is. Alright, this is no normal recipe from Chef Ricardo, and I'm always making this kind of recipe, guys, like you know that. Alright, I've been doing this recipe for a very long time. Alright, now look at this now, guys. Pour it inside of it. See that? Look at that. Proper blended. The flavor and the taste and the whole texture of it, you can see. But when you want to know it is a very good drink, what you want to do, you just put it on a spoon and run it down like this. Alright, and the oat's gonna make it get really thick up. Alright, let's taste this. That is perfect. 100% perfect. Alright. Little bit of blowing up on the video, but that is perfect, guys. 100%. Trust me. That is a perfect drink. Alright? But what I want to say to you, this is just a drink where if you're at home, trust me, you can make this and everyone happy and enjoy this and an amazing drink recipe. Alright? It's beautiful. It's fantastic and an amazing. And trust me, it is just one of those kind of recipe where you want to try and make at home. As I said, it's beautiful, it's lovely, and also delicious. Alright? I would encourage you just to say tell a friend and a friend tell a friend, because you don't know up and now. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. Alright? So yeah. This is just one of those kind of recipe, guys. 100% you have to make at home. Alright? I don't know what's going on. My video is cutting down like I want to stop. But yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Beautiful, fantastic, and an amazing recipe.